last night I got some bad news about my drone. The drone shots you were seeing in this intro is not from my drone. That was a DJI Mavic Air that I borrowed from my dad. I used to have the Mavic Pro 1. When I was still in Shargal, I had some issues with the gimbal. It was like wobbly and shaky and stuff. Anyway, the fault was that the cable that goes to the gimbal is faulty. So we need to replace that cable, which is apparently very hard to get. I don't know how hard it is to get that cable, but the problem is the Mavic Pro 1 came out in 2016, so it's 5 years old already. Anyway, 3 years from now, I might have the same problem if something breaks again to get parts. So I think I might need to go for a new drone. My dad has the Mavic Air 1, which is this one, which looks like a pretty good drone. I like how small it is and easily it fits in my backpack, but the problem I have with it is that it uses Wi-Fi and not radio. So in other words, you lose a lot of range. But what this drone does have is active track, which my previous drone also had and I never used. Anyway, that's why I was here today, to see if I actually need active track and if I can get away with not having it. Anyway, active track is what we use to let the drone follow you. It's a nice feature to have, but I don't know if I really need it, and I don't want to spend too much money because the Mavic Air 2 is way more expensive than the Mavic Mini. Where's this drone going, by the way? You see, the thing is, right now there's two options. I can either go for the Mavic Mini or I can go for the Mavic Air. The Mavic Pro is way too expensive. That's kind of out of my budget. Quick thing, I actually built all these roads. If you didn't know this, I used to be a civil engineer. This is like the last or second last project I worked on. That road, even those roads where the houses are, I built that, this road. Do you think I should buy the Mavic Mini? Or do you think I should go for the Mavic Air 2? Not this one, this one's Wi-Fi signal. I was looking at the footage now to see what the active track looks like, and then I saw this. They are releasing the DJI Air 2S soon. Man, maybe I should wait.